Hey guys, this is the second video of the day. It was kind of a random one. Thanks again to the Ninja Pencil, who's still not yet a channel. Again, like with the last one, I'll add a link in the description once it's a channel. And there will be one more video. We're going to try to make one more video today. It may just be another short, quick one, but who knows. Anyway, see you next time, guys.